see if we like it.
Hold on, let me get it open. I keep doing it.
Do you like it? Your dwarfs? Samantha put her dwarfs in the garden. And we've been picking up a little bit. Daddy's working on the pool.
My dwarf's been picking up.
Ooh, what did you find? Where'd you find? Ooh. Can you guys say good morning?
Good morning. I was making my fairy's house.
Charlie, can you say good morning?
Good morning. We the blue one.
Yeah, you found a blue gem.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Maybe the fairy left it behind.
So we're just working outside in the yard. That's what we're up to. I just planted this flower this morning in this little buggy that we got for Sam's baby shower. So I just planted this in there. Looks pretty nice. Hunter's enjoying the outside too. Hunter, what are you doing? He's pretty good about staying with us, so that's good. Somebody came to visit our house. Look at them all.
Look at.
What are those?
Dwarfs. The 7
Little
dwarfs.
dwarfs came to our house?
Another one.
Aww.
Ah, that one fell off the seat.
Okay, I'll get it. Hunter, you should not be in the flower garden. Oh, there's lots of weeds.
And look it.
Aww.
Another one. And look it. And another one. And
There's
the dopey.
Yeah, he's my favorite. He's so cute. Charlie, are you wearing underwear today?
Yeah, I'm really doing that. I do
Hold on. Yeah.
He's wearing underwear.
Good job. Yay. Okay. Sam, what are you doing? Are you swinging? Woo!
The underdog.
Little Hunter's playing up in the woods.
Can you do the underdog?
I guess.
I love underdog.
Ready? Watch out. Watch out. Okay, ready? Ah! Woo! You flung your shoes off? Charlie, where are we going?
Now.
Are we going into the summer? Is that fun? Look what we found at Price Chopper. I've been wanting to try these. They look so good. Are we gonna make slime?
I'm gonna dump this in. Get this in. I have to dump all the glue?
Not a little bit, yeah.
Okay.
Like a cup.
I make molds. Sometimes it's
About that much,
One
that's a
time,
lot.
yeah. One time somebody moved all the glue in there.
Really?
Yeah. I watched it on a video and they had lots of slime. Now we're gonna be on this.
We're gonna add that after.
Woo!
Don't touch me.
We need to go get the other bottle.
I don't want to do that part because it's very messy.
Here, do you want to go get the other can?
No.
Here, I'll go get the other can. You stay here.
Pew.
Woo!
What is this?
Charlie, stay up on the table.
Oh.
Ooh. Look at the river. So pretty.
Oh,
Isn't it pretty?
I see fishy.
You see fishies in there?
I see all the fish.
You see all the fish?
Oh, chicken.
Okay.
Open it. Don't drop it.
There you go. Sweet, huh?
Yeah, it's going to be a little sticky at first, but once you play with it, it won't be as sticky. I'm going to leave this stuff down here for
Try to throw it, Sam. Oops. I don't think she knows how to throw a frisbee.
sticky.
Upside down. There you go.
No, you're going like this. Go like this. Here.
Come over. Yeah. There you go.
This is hers.
Charlie, do you gotta go potty? Okay, do you need to go to the bathroom? Okay. Charlie, how are you eating your cheese doodles? With a fork?
Yes, it was.
You're eating them with a fork?
Yes, it was.
Expiration date.
This is my fault.
Tell me.
Yeah, that's so funny.
Yeah.
We're gonna try the fireworks Oreos now. See if we like them.
There, do you want me to open it so that she can video
We
it?
have some. We have some.
Yeah, let's see if we like
Hold
it.
on, let me get it open.
I keep doing it.
Do you like it?
Oh, it's a big one.
Oh.
Is it popping or no? It is? Charlie, what do you think? It's alright, it's yucky now. Do you like it?
Yeah.
When you tried Pop Rocks, you didn't really like it the first time.
Now you're big.
Did you like it? With Papa?
This is the
Oh, I thought you said
You
Papa.
gonna give one to Papa?
What do you think? You like it?
silly.
When they got wet.
Think.
What
Do you like the Pop Rock cookie?
Why don't you give her the dictionary?
What do you think? Is that weird? Charlie said yucky when she tried it for the first time.
Yes, they're still popping.
Yeah.
What?
Awesome.
Is it good?
She got it like 16 times in a row. You hear your record?
Gosh, there's another Charlie down there yelling. They used to find that so
That's
fast.
so cool.
Brown is rafting. 8-day rafting.
You're
And you don't have to do that.
No. I think that would be pretty going to look at the green hills, but rafting.
We're just leaving camp now and heading home. Good night, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you like our videos. Bye, guys. You say good night? Bye-bye. And Sam's already asleep. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.